I'm Criminal. I just had a GB match against, let me see here. You see the messages? I know you can't read it. Sorry for the dazzle quality, but I don't know what's happened to it. Well, anyways, Vivid T1, we just had a GB at 6:15, 2011 at 7:08 a.m. Pacific daytime. So the three maps. The first map was Radiation, Nuke, and then the second map was Nuketown. The third map was Hanoi. Radiation, I won 4-2. Let's see this. I'm gonna go ahead and skip most of it to the end so you guys can see. There's Vivid T1. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to myself. There he leads. He gets 1 kill. This is me again. There it is, tied. Vivid T1, me. I'm leading 2-1. That's Vivid T1. This is me. That's from my side. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. There it is. Let me back up real quick. All right. There we go. There's your score. Alright, I'm leading 3-1. Vivid T1. Criminal leading 3-1. Let me go ahead and fast forward. There he gets a kill. And there we have it. I win 4-2. Vivid T1's view, my view. Nuketown, he won 4-3. So Hanoi, we played this at 6:15 to then 11 at 7:27 Pacific daytime. I'm gonna go ahead and still can't believe you dispute. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this. Oh, it lagged. Come on. Alright, there. Here we go. I'm leading. 1-0. His view. My view. Alright. Go ahead, fast forward this. There we go. I'm leading 2-0. My view. His view. My view. There we go. I'm doing 3-0. His view. My view. Oh, we gotta see this. Look at this. Ooh. There it is. His view. My view. Alright. So, I won 2-1. Say.